What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on VGX Voyager token, which has pumped up over 16% in the last 24 hours and is currently trading at just over 16 cents. So we're going to be looking at why has it pumped up so much. Is it likely to keep pumping over the coming days, weeks and so on, potentially hitting 20-30 cents in December, or is it going to crash back down in value? And also covering both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at, is it time to buy it right now, is it too late, or should you sell it and take out your profits? And also looking at its predictions going into 2024, what can we expect from VGX? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of VGX, which is here in purple, at just over 14 cents. However, it is actually trading at a slightly higher value here in green at over 16 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning gains in value are expected from VGX over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, the crypto should be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. I'm expecting it to head above 17 cents and just below 18 cents. So in between this price range here is where Voyager token should be trading at by the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. But again, do expect it to head above 18 cents in between that time. So it's going to be a mixture of green and red candles over the next 12 to 14 hours, up and down, but the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Again guys, the blue and the orange line are still looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and they are not looking too steep either, meaning this is much more realistic. So an overall minimal gain in value is again expected from VGX over the next 7 to 8 days. So towards the end of the week and start of next week, I'm expecting VGX to be trading around the 18 to 19 cents target. Again, it's not like a huge pump that you guys may have expected, but it is reasonable because over the next couple of days it is likely to hit red days in between, where it's likely to take a little bit of a hit, step back down in value before it starts to gain value again. So it is going to be quite volatile, up and down, but again the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the positive side. Hitting between 18 to 19 cents is where this crypto should be trading at by the end of the week and early next week as well. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Again, the blue line and the orange line are still looking bullish, going in a positive direction. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks guys, mid to late January 2024, I am expecting an overall increase in value from VGX, which should essentially be trading around the 22 to 23 cents target in January next year. But again, we are going to hit red candles in between as well. Like I mentioned earlier, it is likely to dip down in value before gaining value, so do expect both red and green candles. But again, as long as the overall outcome is positive, that's all that matters. And again, it is a reasonable amount as well, about 23 to 24 cents in target in January. So yeah, this is my prediction on VGX over the next couple of weeks and months as well. And regarding VGX hitting the dollar mark, that would most likely be towards the very end of next year. So in about a year's time, we should be getting closer to the dollar mark, of course depending on how the crypto market performs, and to be specific, how Bitcoin performs, because more or less Bitcoin controls the market in a positive and negative direction. Talking about Bitcoin, if you guys want to keep up to date on a regular basis on the crypto market, what to expect, what to predict and so on, you guys can join my Telegram group chat, which I will leave a link to in the description box down below. It is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this code here is only valid for a certain number of members and also for a certain time only, so make sure you're quick if you guys want to join. And what do you get for this group chat? So once you sign up, you're going to get put into 2 group chats, guys. The first one is just a general chat where I'll be showing you guys regular updates on Bitcoin and the crypto market, what to expect and so on. Don't worry about the figures here, this is an old screenshot. And you guys can also ask me questions on analysis, predictions on different cryptos as well. The second chat you're going to get put into is where I'll be showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. However, do bear in mind that I am a long-term trader. I'm not a short-term trader, meaning I don't buy and sell on a regular basis. But when I buy it, it's for a good price, and when I sell it, it's for a good price as well. But yeah, link is in the description box down below. And now back to VGX. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up nearly 1,000% in the last 24 hours, making it $87 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading, as it is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. Yes, it is getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype around it from both buyers and sellers point of view, meaning a lot of people are buying the crypto and also selling the crypto, taking out their profits. Talking about buying and selling, what is the best option right now? Is it to buy it? Personally, no, I wouldn't buy the crypto at this price because it is overvalued, and as I mentioned, I'm expecting it to keep dropping and pumping, so it wouldn't be a good entry price to get into Voyager token. But for the seller's point of view, is now the right time to sell it? Well, yes and no. What I mean by that is I would only sell it if I was on a profit, and if I was on a profit right now and I had $1,000 invested into the crypto, I would probably sell about $300 to $400 worth, so about 30 to 40%, take out my profit and keep the remaining 60 to 70% still invested into Voyager token for the long run, meaning I've still got some investment in VGX and I've also taken out some profit, which works both ways. But yeah, this is my take on this crypto, guys. Let me know what is the highest figure you guys are expecting VGX to hit in 2024. Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.